I'm literally making over $1,000 an hour with this offer right now. The entire system runs on two 45-minute monthly calls and a walkie-talkie app. So in this video, I'm going to break down the exact AI concierge offer that I'm running step by step, everything from the intake form to the strategy calls to the hub where everything lives in Notion, and the exact pricing structure that I'm using to go from $0 to $10,000 a month in under 90 days. These are real numbers, and if you stick around to the end, I'm going to show you the 2 Claude skills that fill out my client notes and send follow-up emails to my clients automatically in under 30 seconds. You're going to love this, so let's dive in. All right, so I'm literally making over $1,000 an hour with this offer, which is called the AI concierge offer, and we're going to go through it step by step. You can literally give this transcript to Claude and have it build this as a business plan for you. Super simple. So when we land a client for the AI concierge offer, we send them a pre-call questionnaire, right? I built this in JotForm. I actually had Claude build this in JotForm for me using the JotForm connector. It takes a client about 10 minutes to fill out. I'm going to show you what it looks like here in a second. But the purpose of this JotForm is, one, it makes you look more professional. You're basically setting the stage, setting the foundation before you even jump on the first call so that you can hit the ground running on that first call instead of having to spend 30 minutes or even the entire first call figuring out where to start, right? So the purpose of the questionnaire is to surface the current bottlenecks that the client has, where AI might be able to help. It helps map any time-intensive workflows, and it gives you 1 to 3 opportunities for AI across sales, operations, marketing, finance, etc. And this is sent, like I said, before the first call ever happens. And I make this a hard requirement. Before we ever do the first actual paid call, they have to fill this out. If we have the first call scheduled and they have not filled this out yet, we will literally reschedule until they do, because if they don't have it filled out yet, it's wasting my time, it's wasting theirs. We want to make the best use of our call. It lets us hit the ground running on call 1. So here's what that form looks like. I literally just have it titled AI Concierge Intake Form. It takes about 10 minutes to set up. So they fill out their name, website, industry. In one sentence, what does your business actually do? Their role, how much time they're spending in the business versus on the business. I like this question here because it helps us get an idea for once we start, implementing AI and automating things, we want the answer to this question to change drastically, to be more on the business versus in the business. This is probably the most important section in the whole thing, the time sinks. What are 3 tasks that eat most of your time each week? Which task would you pay the most to make disappear? Where do you feel like the bottleneck? What gets dropped or delayed when you're swamped? Then we do an inventory of some of their repeatable processes across sales, operations, finance, marketing, and intelligence. They list out the software tools that they're already using, so I have an idea going into the first call. And then they give me some insight into who's on their team, how are they using their AI in their day-to-day, and what outcomes they're looking to get from the engagement. Now, one thing when it comes to this form here and everything else I'm going to show you in this breakdown, all this is included inside our AI Operator Academy community. Our members get access to the full JotForm, to the Claude skills that I'm going to show you, to literally this entire process that they can plug and play into their business. And if you're interested in that, you can apply at the link, or you can join at the link in the description. So the second part of this offer is where this is like the meat, right? This is really what they're paying for, is the 2 45-minute strategy calls every month. So these are working sessions every 2 weeks, where this is where we're doing the done with you consulting part of the engagement. So we get on a call with the key stakeholder, usually the small business owner. Sometimes businesses will buy this and appoint like their operations person or their marketing person as the point person here. And we conduct a working session. So they are sharing their screen. We are looking at their workflows. We are building Claude skills. We are implementing Claude Cowork. We are building their context files, right? We're doing the work to implement AI with them, right? We're not doing it for them. If they wanted to pay us to literally do it for them without their involvement at all, that's something that we can upsell on top of this. This is a done with you engagement, right? So essentially we're just automating what they already do. And now, how are we doing this? We're not just jumping in and automating stuff immediately. we're using our AOA framework, which stands for Audit, Optimize, Automate, to figure out where the low-hanging fruit is, fixing the process first, and then automating lastly, right? So the first A, audit, right? We did part of the audit during this form here. So them filling out the form gives us an idea of an audit of things that we can start with. Then we optimize, we fix the actual process first. So a lot of the time on these strategy calls is spent fixing the process, right? Hey, walk me through that process and let's fix it. Let's cut out the waste. Let's cut out some steps and lean up the process so that we can then automate it by, handing it off to Claude Cowork or turning it into a custom skill. And the idea, if they fill out the form beforehand, which they should, we are going to be able to implement at least one automation or build at least one Claude skill on day one, so that by the end of the first call, they should feel really good about the engagement, being like, hey, we made progress, we moved the needle on this first call, and I feel really good about it. So those are the two 45-minute strategy calls, and we do one of those roughly every 2 weeks. Now, the third thing that they get as part of this offer is they get unlimited access to me via an app called Voxer. Now, Voxer is literally just a walkie-talkie app. It's a really good and easy way for us to communicate via voice message in an asynchronous fashion. So we don't need to get on additional calls. I don't need to send emails. They literally just fire over a voice message on Voxer on anything that they're stuck on or anything they need feedback on, and I can reply very quickly with a voice message or a text message. And the reason we include Voxer access as part of this offer is they don't want to wait 2 weeks between calls for help, right? What if we had our strategy call yesterday and today they have a question on something we worked on? They shouldn't have to wait another 2 weeks for a response. They can just send me a message on Voxer. Now, I create an SLA, which stands for service level agreement, that simply states, hey, I will respond in 12 business hours or less to any of your Voxer questions. So that's kind of my way of saying, I'm not going to just leave you hanging for days at a time. If it's a business day, I will respond in less than 12 hours to any of your questions. And this is a way to just provide a high level of service between calls. I try to answer these messages immediately so that they feel really good about my response time and about the amount that they're paying for the engagement. And the purpose is to give them quick wins between calls. And this really removes the friction between the every 2 week calls. This is what turns you into like a 24/7 AI partner, right? This gives them the always on access. And then lastly, and I'm going to show you the actual Notion documentation hub that, again, everybody inside our community gets, but you can easily replicate it from just watching this video. This is where we put all the client information in one place that we share with them so they have access to it. So inside this Notion hub are going to be all the strategy call recordings and the transcripts. Every single call gets a top 3 takeaways that we store in Notion. Every call gets action items for both sides. So if after one of our strategy calls, I had to go and research a tool, for example, and they had to go and create a context file, for example, those action items get listed in Notion so that there's accountability on both sides. They also get a quantified list of everything that we built on the actual strategy calls. Now, this right here is probably the most important piece of the entire Notion hub, because when they can see an actual quantified list of, hey, on call 1, we built these 2 skills, and we created these 3 context files, and we set up Claude Cowork with your global instructions, et cetera, that shows them, hey, this is what we're actually, like, this is the stuff that's moving the needle. Here's a list of everything we've done, which helps them in their head justify paying you $1,500 a month or more for this service, because they can see exactly what they're getting. It's very easy to measure that ROI. And this lives actually not in the client's Notion, this lives in my Notion, but I share it with them. So this is more of like a renewal mechanism. When they can see everything on paper, it makes them a lot more likely to want to pay you every month. So here's what that template looks like. So I actually duplicated one of my existing client templates and just removed all the client information. So the start of the template is just the quick links, like, hey, here's my Voxer handle so that you can add me on Voxer, and I hyperlink it so they can one-click it, send me a message on Voxer right away, along with my response time guarantee Monday through Friday. Here's a scheduling link for booking the next session. And for any questions outside of Voxer, here's my email address, right? So they have all the quick links in one place. Here's an overview of the engagement. So it's going to be the client business name, start date, the cadence, which is, hey, we do 2 45-minute strategy calls per month, plus unlimited Voxer. My primary contact at the client is going to be so-and-so. It might be the business owner. It might be a key stakeholder. And then the focus areas, this is something we lock in after the call 1, which is that mini AI assessment. Next section is any open action items. So this is going to be a rolling list of every action item from every call. The newest ones go at the top, and then items get checked off as they get completed. And then we have a list of all the calls. So, below this right here is going to be, each call has its own section, and we put the newest call at the top. So for example, call 1, we did a mini AI assessment, the date, the duration. Here's a link to the recording. Here's a link to the summary from the AI note taker. Here are the top 3 takeaways, and here are the action items specific to this call. And then here is our quantified list of tools, skills, workflows, automations, everything we built on that actual call, so they see the exact value that they're getting. Now, what's important here is I'm not going in and manually filling this in after every client call. I built 2 Claude skills that actually fill this out for me after every call. So one skill fills out the call log, right? It fills out exactly, it adds the link to the recording, it adds the link to the call summary, it adds the takeaways based on the transcript from the call itself. And then the second skill pulls out the action items, right? So it pulls out any action items from the call and literally pastes them in Notion here. So all I have to do after every client call is go into Claude Cowork, run these 2 skills, and it will populate this for me perfectly in 30 seconds. And as a follow-up, it will draft an email to the client summarizing the top 3 takeaways from the call and sending them a link to the Notion file. So with 2 skill commands that take me 30 seconds to run, Notion is filled out, a follow-up email is sent to the client, summarizing the takeaways, summarizing what we built, relinking to Notion to remind them that this is here, and I'm completely done with my engagement until the next strategy call, aside from any Voxer messages I get in the meantime. So this is the infrastructure that took 1 or 2 hours to build, but you build it one time, and then this engagement becomes a lot easier and doesn't take much of your time outside from the actual strategy calls themselves. So that's the Notion Hub. Now, how do we price this, right? So when I started offering this, I was charging actually not even $1,000 a month. I got my first client on this offer for $1,200 a month. Now, for those of you watching this starting out, you might think that's too much, whatever. I think a general good place to start this in terms of pricing is $1,000 a month. Okay, so I wouldn't charge less than that because this is a really high touch, high value service where you are working alongside the client, done with you, to help them implement AI. So do not charge less than $1,000 a month. You will get people to pay $1,000 a month. You will get people to pay more than that, as I will show you in a second. So this is your baseline. Once you have 2 clients paying you $1,000 a month, you're going to raise your price to $1,500 a month. And when you start charging $1,500 a month, that is what makes your effective hourly rate $1,000 an hour. Because if we're doing 2 45-minute strategy calls per month and we're charging $1,500 per month, that's 1.5 hours per month for $1,500. That's $1,000 an hour. And this is how much I charged for my first 2 clients, which is an $1,000 hourly rate. And now I am charging $2,000 a month. Now, the reason I continue to raise my prices is because literally the first actually 3 people I pitched at this price point, all of them said yes. I have not had anybody say no to this offer yet. And when you're closing 100% of sales calls, you're pricing way too low. So now I'm charging $2,000 a month for the service, which will increase my hourly rate to, I don't know, $1,250 an hour, something like that. And this is probably where I'm going to keep this price point for a little while. And I'm going to cap out at around 6 clients. I currently have 4. I feel like any more than 6, and the service level tends to degrade, especially if you have other things going on. Like I have a lot of stuff going on. So I really don't want to have more than 6 clients, because if I do, I feel like I can't give every client the attention and the time they deserve. But that is the business model in a nutshell. Like I said, members of our AI Operating Academy community get access to this full business model, the 2 Claude skills I mentioned, the JotForm template, the Notion template, everything here. So you can join that at the link in the description. And if you want this diagram here, this literally this big breakdown here, that'll also be in the description for you guys to download. So take this, run with it, go land your first clients, make $1,000 an hour, get after it.